Hello world, hello
everyone.
everyone.
Breakfast on Mother's Day.
It's Mother's Day. I'm eating breakfast. This is given by my friend. It's a banana nuts. And I have presents, gifts from a son. Gift cards. Gift cards. Thank you for the card. Thank you for the sweet cards.
Card, sweetheart.
My only son.
Oh.
28 years old.
Dad cannot wait.
Please like, comments, subscribe, and share.
Let's go eat.
Thank you for watching. Please continue watching till the end. We are going to the restaurant.
They're still working in there.
So we will be going there, leaving. Now we arrive. We forgot to video on the road. And now we got the appetizer. So yummy. And chips. You see? It's really good appetizer. It's a very nice. It's got Mexican food. The Mexican restaurant is very nice restaurant in Pearland, Texas. Nice, very nice. It's not too busy because we got there around 12. But it's not busy.
Which one
yet.
is sweet up to?
I got
Well,
this
you're running it
smoothie.
down.
So sweet.
Running
It's so
thing
good.
that we've never had
Very
to do
nice restaurant.
when you get older.
So good.
I had this.
Yummy, yummy.
So good.
I enjoy
Shake,
this.
smoothie.
I enjoy this. Shakes or smoothies. Yum.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple or piña colada.
My
Yummy.
goodness.
Oh, I put it right. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Thank you so much,
seafood
everyone, for
enchilada.
watching. God bless
Our
all
server.
the moms in the
Wow.
world. Every day is a Mother's Day. Thank you, everyone. God bless.
And we were thinking about that too. That we want to try stuff.
Have a good and blessed day. I'm
We
taking
are
pictures
done
over
eating
here outside. It's nice.
Restaurant.
We'll see you again in the next vlog, everyone.